Hi, hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Chachana Creation, and today we are going to unbox a scale model of willys Jeep, and it is in 1:32 ratio. And let's see what and all the details having in this miniature model. And I think it's a US Army willys Jeep. And actually it is looks very pretty cool in color as well as the detail. We are having a very good tires, as real as we are having a X at the side and front grills. And we are having that oil can or the fuel can at the back side, and one stepney will be there.
Stay tuned with us for the next video. Until then, bye from Chachana Creation. And please do support our channel by clicking the subscribe button.